In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay personal homeowners expenses. Melio. This walkthrough is for making a payment in Melio for a personal homeowner-related expense, like paying a home office contractor or a rent-style home office charge. The goal is to enter the vendor, add the amount, choose a due date, pick a payment method, and confirm the payment so it is scheduled correctly. To begin, sign in to Melio. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct business or profile if your account has more than one. This helps make sure the payment is recorded in the right place and avoids confusion later when you review transactions. Next, go to the Pay area. From there, select Bills and then choose New Payment. This opens the payment setup screen where you will enter who you are paying and what the payment is for. If you do not see the options right away, look for the main navigation on the left side or the top menu depending on your layout. Now enter your home office contractor. This is the payee, sometimes called a vendor. Make sure the name matches how you want it to appear in your records, because consistent naming makes it easier to track expenses over time. If the contractor already exists in your vendor list, select them from the suggestions. If not, type the name in as prompted so Melio can use it for this payment. After that, enter the rent amount and select the due date. For the amount, use the exact value you intend to pay. For the due date, choose the day the payment should be delivered or processed based on your preference and any agreement you have. Picking the correct due date is important for staying on time and avoiding late fees. Next, choose your payment method. You can select credit card if you want the option to earn card rewards, or select bank transfer if you prefer paying directly from your bank account. Keep in mind that the method you choose can affect processing time and fees, so select the option that fits your priorities for speed, cost, and record keeping. Finally, review the details one more time, then click Confirm. Once confirmed, the payment is scheduled and you should see it reflected in your payments or bills activity. That covers everything you need to know.